Ndewono. Hi guys, welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you some phrases you can use when you visit the Igbo market, or maybe you want to shop in Igbo. I got you. So these are the 5 phrases you can use in the market. Of course, when you visit a shop, the first thing you ask is, do you have, or I want. Okay, so when you say, do you have eggs? Inwere aqua. Inwere aqua or inwe aqua. You can either use inwe aqua or inwere aqua. So aqua is eggs, right? So you can use it in other ones. Inwere tomatoes, inwe iPhone, inwe apple, inwe this, inwe that. So that is, do you have that particular thing you are asking? Or you can also say achoram. That is, I want. Achoram aqua, achoram tomato, achoram iPhone, achoram this, achoram that. Or just achom. Do you understand? So the next one is, how much is it? Ego ole kobu. Ego ole kobu. Or just ego ole. How much? Ego ole. Some dialect says ego ne. Ego ne. Like we say ego ne. How much? Ego ne. So that is it. So the next one is, do you have change? Inwere change or inwe change. Maybe you want to know whether the person have a smaller denomination of what you have. You can just say inwe change. Inwere change. And then lastly, after the transaction, you are happy, the business was smooth, and you want to wish them well, good transaction, good market. You'll be like, afioma, dalo, afioma, thank you, afioma, that is good market. And then dalo, thank you, kodi, bye, or later. Let me know the particular phrase you've been using or the one you can say very well in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.